Buying the best casserole dish is important, and you certainly don't want to waste your money on the wrong product. With that in mind, I decided to research and rank the best casserole dishes to see which products are most worth buying. Just be sure to click the links in the description box to see the latest prices for each of the products. If you're looking for a versatile glass casserole dish, then the Cera Bakeware Square Baker might be just what you need. This non-stick square dish is perfect for making all kinds of casseroles and culinary creations. Its compact size means it won't take up too much space in your oven or fridge, and yet it's still spacious enough to whip up a sizable meal. The clear glass construction lets you keep an eye on your food as it cooks. No more guessing if the bottom is browning evenly. You'll appreciate the durability of this dish. It can withstand temperature changes, so you can take it straight from the freezer to the oven. Unlike most other casserole dishes, your food won't stick to the Cera Bakeware Square Baker because the glass is ceramic coated, meaning that foods slide right off. You also won't need to grease this dish before using it, making preparation much faster. Cleanup is hassle-free too. The smooth glass surface doesn't trap food, and it's dishwasher safe. This baker isn't just for casseroles though. Use it for brownies, lasagna, or even as a serving dish for salads. Best of all, for budget-conscious buyers, this glass casserole dish is the cheapest option on my list. So, if you want to enjoy delicious homemade casseroles without breaking the bank, this is where you need to look. Taking the number 4 spot on my list of the top-rated casserole dishes is the Cristel USA stainless steel roaster, which is ideal for making delicious casseroles for the whole family. This sleek 18/10 stainless steel roaster offers professional-grade performance for your home kitchen. You'll love how this roaster transitions seamlessly from stovetop to oven. Its aluminum core ensures even heat distribution, perfect for searing meats before roasting. The large, ergonomic handles make it easy to transfer the dish safely, even when it's piping hot. If you're worried about sticky messes after cooking, don't be. The Cristel roaster's stainless steel surface is a breeze to clean. A quick wash with hot soapy water, and it's ready for your next culinary adventure. Here's what makes this roaster stand out. It's oven safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. It's compatible with all cooktops, and it comes in a generous size for family meals. There are detachable parts for easy storage. Whether you're roasting a turkey for Thanksgiving or whipping up a veggie medley, this dish has you covered. Its versatility shines through with every use, from meats to vegetables and beyond. Just remember to season the surface before first use to enhance its non-stick properties. With proper care, this Cristel roaster will be your go-to for years to come, hence the lifetime guarantee. If you're looking for a versatile casserole dish that can handle all your roasting needs, then the HexClad hybrid roasting pan with rack might be just what you need. This pan boasts even heat distribution, ensuring your casseroles and roasts come out perfectly cooked every time. Being the best non-stick casserole dish available, you'll love how the non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze after those big family meals. The included rack is a game changer. It elevates your food, allowing drippings to collect below for delicious gravies and sauces. Plus, it promotes even cooking all around your roasts. You can really see why it's some of the best casserole cookware available. Also, if you're worried about scratching your new pan, you shouldn't be. This hybrid roaster is metal utensil safe. You can use your forks, knives, and even electric mixers directly in the pan without fear. Oven safe up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. This pan transitions seamlessly from stovetop to oven to grill. It's perfect for searing meats before popping them in the oven to finish cooking. With its large capacity, you'll find this pan ideal for big roasts, casseroles, and holiday gatherings. Whether you're cooking for 2 or 20, the HexClad hybrid roasting pan has got you covered. Now, for the runner-up on my list of the best casserole dish reviews, and it's a good one. The Alva Nori 12-inch by 8-inch roasting pan rectangular cast iron dish is perfect for preparing a wide range of meals, from roasted vegetables to hearty lasagnas. Made from high-quality cast iron, this pan offers excellent heat conduction. You'll notice even baking and browning across your dishes, ensuring consistently delicious results every time. The Nori roasting pan boasts an enamel coating that's free from harmful chemicals like PFAS, PFOA, and PFTE. You can cook with peace of mind, knowing your food won't come into contact with toxic substances. Versatility is a key feature of this pan because it's suitable for all cooktops and is oven safe, giving you flexibility in your cooking methods. Whether you're searing on the stovetop or slow roasting in the oven, this pan has got you covered. Cleanup is a breeze too, thanks to the non-stick enamel coating. No more scrubbing away at stubborn food residues. Alva stands behind their product with a generous 25-year warranty. This long-term guarantee speaks volumes about the pan's durability and quality. The only downside is that, financially, it's an investment in your kitchen. But, considering its versatility, durability, and non-toxic construction, many home cooks find it well worth the price. For me, it's the best cast iron casserole dish available. So, what is the best casserole dish that you can buy? In my opinion, the Xtrema 6-quart rectangular baking dish is the best casserole dish on the market today. Made from 100% ceramic, it's perfect for whipping up your favorite casseroles, lasagnas, and baked good. You'll love how versatile this dish is. Its generous 6-quart capacity means you can easily feed a crowd or meal prep for the week ahead. The ceramic construction offers even heat distribution, ensuring your dishes cook perfectly every time. No more worrying about hot spots or undercooked centers. Cleaning up is super simple thanks to the pure ceramic surface, so you can say goodbye to scrubbing and soaking for hours after dinner. This dish isn't just functional, it's also beautiful. You can take it straight from the oven to the table, impressing your guests with its sleek design. Durability is key, and the Xtrema doesn't disappoint. It's resistant to scratches and chips, so it'll look great for years to come. And with a 10-year warranty and 30-day return policy, you can give Xtrema a try risk-free and start enjoying the benefits of non-toxic cooking for yourself. Health-conscious cooks will really appreciate that it's free from harmful chemicals. As a result, your food stays pure and tasty without any unwanted additives, which is a breath of fresh air in today's cookware industry. The Xtrema is oven safe, microwave safe, and even freezer safe. Talk about flexibility in the kitchen. While it's on the pricier side, the quality and versatility make it a worthwhile investment for serious home cooks. And there you have it, the best casserole dishes that money can buy. If you've got any more questions at all about buying a casserole dish, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, if you found this video helpful, then please do like and subscribe so that I know to make more cookware videos like this one.